Every single day, this brave mother flies nearly 10 kilometers across the ocean. Her babies cannot fly, they cannot hunt, they are hungry and weak. They trust only one bird, their mother. She dives into the cold sea. In seconds, she catches fish. 1, 2, 3. She must bring enough food for both babies. But danger is everywhere. A larger bird wants her fish. It attacks suddenly. The mother bird is escaping. After a long journey, after danger, after fear, puffin bird feeds her babies. The babies are safe. The babies are safe, the babies are happy, because a mother's puffin bird love is stronger than fear.